Hey guys, so we just left Valencia and we're driving to Alicante, or technically right now we are in Alicante, but we're going to be staying in a town called Torrevieja, which is about 2.5 hours from Valencia. But we're making some stops, making some stops on the way. And this is a very beautiful beach here, and it's a great day to come explore. So this is about 1.5 hours from Valencia, and we thought it'd be a good idea to stop here first before we head on. And we're gonna make a couple more stops on the way as well. But let's check out this beautiful rocky beach here. The water's amazing, like a beautiful turquoise green color. I'm not a big fan of rocky beaches just because it's not comfortable if you want to lay out and go to the beach or like walk in the water. But the water here just looks amazing. And there's also like some hiking trails you can use to kind of go up the mountains on both left and the right side as well. Let's get closer. So from here we're going to drive about 58 minutes to Aldea, which is a small town not that far from here, part of the Alicante region as well. So yeah, let's head out. So we just arrived in the town of Aldea. It's a very beautiful city full of whitewashed stone buildings. Reminds me a lot of like when we were in Sucre in Bolivia. Let's check it out. So we're gonna head to this church called, it's a long name, Iglesia de Nuestra Señora de Consuelo. So the Church of Consuelo basically. And it has like places you can eat at the restaurants and beautiful views of the ocean as well. So let's see. Let's check out these beautiful mountain views first.
Sierra Nevada.
Cuando primero 10 cabrones me levanto y vuelvo a caer y otros días hasta abajo.
Y Sierra Nevada también a veces va a caer hasta.
En Sierra Nevada fue un por culo. Ya está. No.
So I'm headed back to the car and we're gonna drive to the city of Alicante. We're in the region of Alicante, but there's also a city as well. It's kind of like in the middle point. And then from there, we'll check out some beaches, maybe a castle. There was a Mercado that I wanted to check out, but it's closed on Sunday. And then we're gonna head to Torrevieja, which is maybe like 45 minutes or so from there. So we're just kind of just heading down the line until we make it to our Airbnb. But very beautiful city, lovely. It's a great square, beautiful church, lots of restaurants you can check out. Highly recommend it. Alright guys, we made it to Alicante, the city of Alicante in Alicante here, and we're just gonna walk along the promenade here. And it's this long stretch of street here with tons of restaurants and places to eat and to go shopping, and then right across you have like the beach and also like where the marina is for all the boats and yachts that's parked there. So we're gonna walk on both sides, and then from here we're gonna head to Torrevieja. So let's check it out. Come on, Gene. Even though this is off season in January or February, actually, it's February I think 2nd, still a lot of people that's out and about, and we couldn't even park at the beach. There was so many cars there. So if you are trying to come check out this area, definitely better if you take an Uber or a taxi. That way they can let you off and you won't have an issue. It took us a while to find parking, but it's actually a little bit further away from the beach and more closer here to the marina. But we got very lucky, and it's a Sunday. So one thing to note if you guys are renting a car. Tons of beautiful boats parked here in the marina, and just right over like that with that Malia Alicante hotel, I think it's the hotel or apartment building, that's where the beach area is. So we're not going to walk that far over, it's a bit of a walk, and we did drive past it. It looks nice, but it's a long walk back to the car, so we're going to kind of just stay over in this area and then start heading back to the car. And the reason why Olivia's not in this video is because she's been sick, so she's been kind of staying in the car, getting some rest while we were driving and walking around different places. Hey, good morning guys. So this is going to be actually a very short video. So we tried to check into our Airbnb yesterday in Torrevieja, which is where we are now. And we had issues with the apartment that we booked. We didn't get the actual apartment that we booked online. It's a completely different apartment. And then when we got settled in, or almost settled in, we noticed there was no heat and it was very cold, around like 7 degrees last night. So we ended up just leaving after not being able to work out anything with the host. So we left, booked in this hotel, which is like 7 minutes away, which has really good views here from the balcony on the 5th floor. Perfect views of beach here, and you have like a pool, like a little water park. It's pretty big, but anyway, yeah, so we end up just staying here for the night, and I decided to just drive to Mija, which is a town close to, like in between like Marbella and Malaga, which is where we were going to stay really anyway for the last 2 weeks of this trip, but we decided just to go there earlier. So we're staying in a different Airbnb for the first week, and then we'll transfer over 2 weeks, and then for the last 2 weeks to the second Airbnb, the one we initially booked. But yeah, we just got really frustrated last night, so we decided to just leave and head to there because there's more things to explore there anyway. So it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Thank you guys for checking us out, and we'll catch you in the next one.